Bro, you tripping. RAM is only like $60, bro. There's no...
Jesus.
Yeah, it's over, brother. We are fried. Ain't no way, brother. What am I looking at?
Yeah.
That's the price for watching this AI slop on YouTube. Now people gotta sell their mother for a motherboard. RAM used to be one of the most least expensive things when building a PC. Now it costs more than the PS5.
Bar, dog.
Budget PC is now
RickWa reacts.
What up, folks? Tis RickWa, and for this video's reaction, I'll be reacting to gamers when they tried to build a PC in 2026. And this is by Mightykeef. Oh, yo. First things first, before continuing on, if y'all don't want to hear my yapping and you want to just skip straight to the start of the initial video of this reaction video, then the timestamps are in the description below. So just making sure to let y'all know of that. But continuing on, so there is quite a bit of irony with this specific video that I'm going to be reacting to, and that is, yo, when it comes to upgrading my own computer, because like I'm not like getting a whole new computer, I'm just upgrading just like the the processor from an i7 right now, which is what I have, to an i9, and then upgrading from a 1070 Ti, which is what I have right now at the time of recording this, to a 460, and then upgrading the memory a little bit from 500 gigs to like 1 terabyte for like the main C drive memory. But yo, that shit cost an arm and a fucking leg. Let me tell you what on that, folks. Especially with one of like the companies, I think it was like Micron. Y'all can let me know in the comment section below about that. But it was like some big company that was initially producing RAM that was starting to just do work for AI. And it's just like, well, f the consumers and shit, like. So, this is like anytime you feel like you have to upgrade your computer or buy a new computer, it's just like, ah! Or just like cue the Talion 5 sound effect. That's how your wallet be feeling. It's just like, oh man, I'm sure a lot of people who are, you know, trying to upgrade their computers within either, you know, with them trying to do that in late 2025, going into 2026, I'm sure y'all must have been like, and I'm sure Mightykeef is definitely going to go about and be expressing a whole lot of just grief when it comes to like trying to build a new PC in 2026. Be like, man, my wallet's hurting. I'm struggling, bucko. Oh man. But either way, enough of my yapping. I'm gonna get right into it, folks, and I'm gonna switch over to the green screen webcam real quick for y'all. There we go, folks. Also, I hope all of y'all are having a wonderful day today, and of course, please be sure to check out and support Mightykeef within his content creation journey, along with any other content creators that I react to, and making sure to check out and support them within their content creation journeys. But real quick before I get started here, if y'all like this kind of content on my reaction channel, of course, please be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. You know, let's get things lively and poppin' and interesting in the comment section, shall we? Like what you find to be funniest, what references I might have missed, or something positive, or even a super comment if you so wish, including a request as well too. And, you know, including sharing my content around. And if y'all have not already yet, of course, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button so that y'all know when it is that I'm uploading new content onto my reaction channel. And the support is always very much so greatly appreciated thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks.
Okay.
And as well as you know, of course, please be sure to share it around with your friends or family, whatever you choose to do. And of course, you know, please be sure to check out my Patreon because you get a lot of extra benefits on there compared to just being a YouTube subscriber. Just also making sure to inform you of that. And lastly, if y'all want a guaranteed reaction to your video request, y'all can go about and become a member of the RickWa Reacts to Your Video Request tier, which is available again on my Patreon. And after you become a member of that, you can comment down on that pinned post what you want me to react to, and then you will get that guaranteed reaction to your video request interest, because normally I usually react to content that piques my interest, and I don't react to content that I've already seen, because then it would not be a genuine reaction on my end. So just making sure to also inform you all of that as well too. But enough of my yapping, and without further ado, folks, let's get started on this video from Mightykeef being gamers when they try to build a PC in 2026. Ooh, wee.
I am Mightykeef.
Bro, GTA 6 is gonna be crazy, man. I don't even know how consoles are gonna run that thing. Console, brother, I'm about to build a high-end gaming PC next year. So I'll be swimming in FPS. I'm sorry, you're building a gaming PC in 2026.
Right?
Damn, I love seeing black millionaires. What? Well, you haven't heard. Big name manufacturers are moving away from producing chips for everyday consumers like you and me. And now producing chips for AI data centers. Oh yes, sir. When items are in low supply, people start to panic buy. The price of RAM about to skyrocket. Nah, bro, you tripping. RAM is only like $60, bro. There's no...
Jesus.
Yeah, it's over, brother. We are fried. Ain't no way, brother. What am I looking at? That's the price for watching this AI slop on YouTube. Now people gotta sell their mother for a motherboard. RAM used to be one of the most least expensive things when building a PC. Now it costs more than the PS5.
dog.
A budget PC is now a luxury PC, and a luxury PC will now put you in bankruptcy. Wait, what does this mean for everything else? What's gonna happen with console? What do you mean what's gonna happen with console? Do you already own one? Yeah, well that's the last one you get. The RAM shortage ain't just for PC, brother. Gaming consoles use it too. We never get into Switch 3. We never get into PS6. You're gonna have that PS5 for the next 5 decades. They're gonna start producing quality hardware and force us to play video games via streaming services.
Yo.
Whoa, hold on now. That boy's spitting. Get out. Okay. This can't be happening, bro. Why can't we just get rid of AI? Get rid of AI. Brother, there are 6 films that explain why we're already doomed. The Matrix only has 3 movies.
Yo!
I'm talking about Terminator. Also, there's 9 movies.
Damn!
And we still opened that box, brother, and there's no closing it now.
Oh.
We're done for. Humanity is doomed. Best thing to do is relocate to some private
On
island
some
and build your own
Ultron
civilization
type of time.
free of technology. Here's some startup money.
Yo!
Can't believe we're gonna lose to AI slop. The way AI is
startup
evolving, you're not
money
gonna know what's
with
real or
some
fake in a
RAM.
few years. Hell, you may not know what's real or fake right now. Hell, this might not be real. This whole skit could have been AI. I'm kidding, it's me. It's still me. I think. Hey guys, just wanted to come here and say I cannot express just how grateful I am.
That's just crazy.
I definitely respect it. And yeah, I will make sure, obviously, to put the link to this specific video in the description below, as I do with every reaction video for each video I react to, because yeah, I want y'all to go by and check out the original video for what Mightykeef was talking about initially. But yeah, you love to see it with the amount of growth that he has been doing, and I, do hope and wish for him to get to even grander heights of success that he's aiming for. But this video itself, yo, that hilarious, dog. Damn, yeah, it's just like on some Matrix and Terminator type of time. I mean, y'all remember Ultron, right? Yo, it's not just computer parts. It's like gaming itself. We are cooked, because AI is like, oh yeah, we gotta start working on this AI stuff, and then it's like, well, new customers, and it's just like, god damn. Gotta tell my mother to get this motherboard. That's a crazy line. There were a lot of bars in the mix of this, by the way, yo. You definitely gotta respect the comedic creativity that Mightykeef has to making his content in skits that much funnier for all of us that are like watching and or reacting to, and especially the concept of just how much of like a gamer he is, and it's a whole lot of good gaming comedy within the mix as well too. You love to see it, folks, but man, oh man. Definitely great, amazing stuff to Mightykeef for this one, yo. Because I know a lot of my friends We're like, man, if you try to build a PC, you better do that sooner than later. Then once it got to like the later end of the year, like closer to like December, it was like, oh, you trying to do this? Man, you finna be spending an arm and a leg on all that. And they were not wrong on that. Oh man. I hope y'all, the audience, have enjoyed my reactions to this video from Mightykeef. And if y'all have, of course, please do leave a like, leave a comment down below so we are getting things lively and popping and interesting in the comment section, like what you find to be funniest or what references I might have missed, or if y'all are planning on building a new PC in 2026 or have already gone about and bought, you know, upgrade parts to a PC within late 2025, or, you know, anything else in general within the comment section. So we're getting things live.
Oh no!
So we're getting things lively and popping and interesting within there and all that good stuff. Sorry, words be a hell of a thing sometimes. But either way, I'm gonna switch back over to the regular webcam real quick for y'all, folks. There you go, folks. Once again, I hope y'all, the audience, have enjoyed my reactions to this video from Mightykeef, and also, again, as well, too, great, amazing stuff to Mightykeef for this video as well. But either way, I'm at the end point of this reaction video, so there's that. And if y'all have gotten this far, I do greatly appreciate that. It's basically, I'm fit to bounce. So there's that. And if y'all like this kind of content on my reaction channel, of course, please be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below, share my content around, as that does, of course, help with the algorithm. And if y'all have not already yet, of course, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button so that y'all know when it is that I'm uploading new content onto my reaction channel. And the support is always very much so greatly appreciated thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks. And as well, too, if y'all want to get some extra benefits while supporting me a little bit further, y'all can go about and check out my YouTube memberships. My personal join button down below. Y'all can either join the Shoutouts tier or the Early Access tier, whatever floats your boat on that notion. And if y'all want even more benefits compared to just being a YouTube member, y'all can also go about and check out my Patreon, in which the link to my Patreon is in the description below, if you want to check that out and all that good stuff. But either way, I'm at the end point here, so again, there's that. And I hope you all, the audience, have a wonderful rest of your day. And until the next reaction video that I upload for y'all, peace out, folks. Now for the vocal shoutouts. Shoutouts to Preston G. Thank you again for becoming a member of my Patreon. The support and patronage is greatly appreciated thus far and going forward. You are amazingly awesome.